How do you feel?
Very excited.
Oh, yeah, I feel very excited. Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Though they said where is going to be very cold.
Yes.
Now we're about we're a bit hot right here.
Right, yeah.
Yes. I think it's not because of the weather. It's because
Because of, yes.
all the girls.
Yes.
It's because you are here as well.
Wow.
And Mima, you are top 5 voting on the Star. Do you know?
Yes. Yes, I'm so grateful for my people. Like they've been supporting me a lot, and I really appreciate it for that. And I'm going like fulfill what they really want to be me. So yeah, I'm trying my very best.
And you can tell everyone to support you on voting Star to you can guess in top 5 top 10 finalists.
I see. Thank you so much for all the fans and also the support for everyone, every of the individual that have already sent prayers and love to us. It means a lot. It was very thoughtful, and yeah, it means a lot for Oral of Journey because in this Cosmo we're about to have like more or less a month. We're gonna be a sister for a month.
Yeah.
So yeah, every of the comments, inputs, and everything that will be given by the pageant lovers and all the people out there, it means so much for us. So go follow our journey until the grand finale on the 20th of December, and see you there.
Yay! Thank you.
And also thank you for like all the support that we have been trying so hard for everything. So every night, every single night, but we've been trying very hard for that. So
Yeah.
please support us. We give a lot of love and support.
Yeah, I witnessed firsthand how the girls are all
Yes.
striving and
Yes.
also fulfill their full potentials in the competition.
Yeah.
So it was such a heartfelt gratitude
Yeah.
for me to see all of the women strive in their way because they're showing that the beautiful, it comes not only for their physical looks,
Yeah.
but also from their heart and also from their mind.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, girl.
See ya.
See ya.